guys, I'm Patty. This is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Blackberry Cobbler. This is one of Tony's favorite cobblers that he just absolutely loves. So I bought some blackberries at Walmart the other day. So let me tell you what you're going to need. First thing you're going to do is you're going to mix up half a cup of white sugar, with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, just blend them together a little bit. Next, you're going to pour a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Up. Minus the bowl. Blend this up together a little bit. Oh, also, preheat your oven to 350, and I've got a 9x13 pan that I've sprayed with cooking spray. Now, you're going to pour this over, and you want to coat all of these really well. Alright, you want to put these down at the bottom of your pan. You're supposed to have 6 cups, but these little things were expensive, so it's probably only about 4 cups. It's 4 of the little tiny packets. Alright. Next, you're going to, in this bowl, in another bowl, well, let's just do it in this bowl. Sorry, you need 2 cups of self-rising flour. These are half-cup measures. Okay. Then you need 1½ cups of sugar. These are half-cup measures as well. 1, 2, 3. And, whoops, sorry, you're going to need a tablespoon of vanilla. I love the smell of vanilla extract. I like the smell of vanilla and cinnamon and all that good stuff. You got 2 cups of milk. And a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Now you're going to mix this up. Whisk it up, but you want it still a little bit lumpy. Just mix it till it's blended. You don't want to, like I said, it said to make it a little lumpy. Doesn't have to be smooth or perfect. Why are you laughing?
Because your instruction sheet went flying.
Shut up. It did. I don't know where it went. Okay, I'm lost. Okay, here it is. Alright, and you're going to put this in your preheated oven for about 55 minutes to an hour. So we'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, I just got this out the oven. Look how pretty that looks. And it only took like 53 minutes, not 55, but who's counting? Oh yeah. You can also put cream on it, or however, whipped cream or milk, or however you want to do it. Alright guys, this is our Blackberry Cobbler. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite cobbler is. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share this out on your social media. Alright guys, dessert's ready. See y'all soon. Bye.